Is it on?
Hang on, Doug. It's almost on.
What do you mean almost on? It's either on or off. It's
almost on.
Bloody, it's a digital bloody camera. You switch
I'm just
it on,
waiting for it to come on.
on.
Just hang on a second. It's almost on.
What are you doing?
It's on. Right, Doug.
Yeah, you twat.
Listen, Doug.
Yes.
I had a great idea, as you know.
Mm.
You got those 2 slut bases.
Yes.
Which, well, why do you tell the your fans?
I will.
Yeah.
This is a 5-string slot bass. Now, don't go by the colour, because the colour was an experiment, and it's just a CNI coat. Which, what it means is, try it and see what it looks like, and it looks shit, right? But the the bass is basically very good. It's through neck, so it's it's maple, 2 pieces, spun round like that, so it doesn't warp.
Yeah.
And it's all the way through to there.
Yeah.
And the side cheeks are Brazilian mahogany. Right?
Yeah.
It's a 5-string. There's a 4-string version of it as well.
Let's have a look over there. Look. Yeah, yeah.
They were both made for a customer in Canada.
Yeah, yeah.
Who has, I think he's run slightly out of money.
Well, he's vanished off the face of the earth.
He vanished off the face of the earth.
Yeah, yeah. Lovely chap, though.
And he is a lovely chap, and he's had a couple of my guitars. He uses my guitars himself. But he's got 2 slot guitars. He's got a slot answer and a slot rock one.
A slot and a slot answer.
Yeah.
Hey, up somebody here.
All right.
You've got to be you're a delivery man.
Yeah, come here, leave what you went in. Have you got your parcel or not?
Well, first of all, I'm not Doug.
Yeah.
You know,
Hi, mate.
I'll go grab it now.
It's a big box.
Yeah.
It's a great big box.
fuck me, I hope he didn't think I was you.
Do you want me to help me with it?
What, do you want, what? You mean you're going to shout at me or Dave?
No, it's guitar cases.
You know what? What if he thought I was you?
Because you're a big fat pig.
I don't think so, that's gone down. I don't be so offended.
Oh, you could be. I could can offend you a lot worse than that.
You're holding the workshop up?
I'll get back in.
Well,
so we're doing this guitar
yeah.
anyway. So there you go. So this is going to be. I'm keeping it this colour at the moment because until somebody comes in and said I fancy that, but I wanted it black.
Well,
I like it black.
Yeah. Let's just stop pissing about. Basically, you've built two basses.
I have.
80% finished about 3-4 years ago, and let's be honest, if somebody wants them, they can have it. You'll finish it off. You'll finish them off.
Can't have it. They'll have to pay for it.
Yes, of course, but you'll finish them off.
Yes, I'll finish.
So if anybody wants a slot bass,
yeah,
5 or 4 string model,
yeah,
you've got 2 models raring to go here.
Yes.
Hey up. Here's the delivery
the
guy.
box is back. Oh, it's a big box. Is it from Escox? Anything?
Oh.
Have you got a picture of me or something?
No, I got a picture of the box.
Yeah. He doesn't want to break his camera.
Oh. So I'll put this back now.
So, no messing about with him. Anybody think he got 220 deliveries to do today?
He probably has.
Yeah, just a quiet day. Yeah, yeah.
More cardboard though to dispose of.
Right then. Okay, so basically,
Just a couple of guitar cases for customers.
no, never mind that. So a couple of slot basses that are available to be finished if you might be interested.
Yeah, 2 pickup.
So the answer.
Kent Armstrong pickups.
Well, if that's what they want. So.
Sheller machine heads.
What's your email address now?
d.wilkes@sky.com.
Okay, so basically, if you're interested, email Doug at d.wilkes@sky.com. I'll put that up on in text if I can be bothered. There you go, Doug.
Okay.
Another little video.
Lovely.
Listen, I'm gonna forfeit my commission with this sale. Yeah, I'll tell you now, gratis. Yeah, no charge.
Yeah, whatever. Did I offer you any fees?